ecstatic to share with you this beautiful erotic feminine Krystos Vision Quest Immersion that is tomorrow. This is supportive of the Cancerian energies of the full moon, the entering into Mercury retrograde, the Venus retrograde, and for the greater vision of your 2022, this 22, the year of the feminine resurrection. So we're going to go into deep feminine body healing work, somatic healing work, temple body arts, so much ecstasy to unfurl and really allow this honoring of this new phase of life, while this wolf moon is a culmination of this cycle, this really reflective time. So particularly we're focusing on sovereignty of body, heart, spirit, and energy. And we're going to go into some intimate and sensitively guided temple touch with the vulva lips being the first Yoni rose star gate, and allowing a soft releasing of any armor that is no longer of service, and replenishing and making juicy the life force that's underneath the stagnation. I'm going to go really deep into that. And the Yoni first Rose Star Gateway is the gatekeeper. So this is really important for how we work with our greater vision and this new paradigm shift. For this outer paradigm shift to occur, the inner paradigm shift needs to be really crystalline. And the next part that we're expanding into newly is working with the Clitoral Temple. And most aren't aware of the sovereignty of their body with the clitoris, and how easily it takes on sexual creative life force energy that isn't their own. And so we're going to work with cleansing, deprogramming, and igniting its original erotic innocence and sacred vision. And the clitoral temple is connected to the penile pituitary gland. And so we're going to utilize this uplifting of your sexual life force energy, lifting up the frequency of this, and going into an ecstatic breath journey of aligning your life force creative sexual energy between the feminine sexual anatomy and your third eye crown center to be fully aligned and supported. These are very sacred temple Venusian embodiment teachings that are very rarely shared, and we're keeping the container intimate. So there's only space for 13 women total. Feel free to reach out with any questions and click the link to sign up. I hope you can join us. Giving so much love to you.